Hello students, let's see the given question. In the Carius method of estimation of chlorine, a compound of 180 gram produces 144 gram of AgCl. Find percentage composition of chlorine. This is 20%, 36%, 23% and 50%. So, this question comes in JEE mains exam, happens in 22 January at shift 1, and this question belongs to organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques which you studied in class 11th, and it's talking about the quantitative analysis. So this is 180 gram of compound, we will assuming at X, it is forms 144 gram of AgCl, right? So the basic concept is that how much of chlorine is present in AgCl, that much of chlorine is coming from X, and from there only we can find the percentage composition of chlorine in X. Now in AgCl, chlorine has 35.5 gram per mole. This is the mass of chlorine, and AgCl is 143.5 gram per mole. So if 143.5 AgCl has 35.5 gram per mole, then how much present in 144 gram of AgCl? It is 35.5 divided by 143.5 into 144. This much amount. Now, this much amount is present in 144 gram of AgCl. This much amount of chlorine, and this chlorine coming from X. This means this much amount of chlorine is also present in 180 gram also, right? This means 180 gram X has 35.5 divided by 143.5 into 144 gram of chlorine. So percentage we will calculate as 35.5 divided by 143.5 into 144 divided by 180 into 100. So by this calculation we will get the composition of chlorine. And for ease out the calculation, we can do one thing. Look, 35.5 we can take as 36, take at 144. This is already 144, this is 180, this is 100. It will ease out the calculation because there is sufficient differences. Okay, now this will be cancelled out, this is cancelled out, this is 2, this is 20%. This is the final answer. So from this you can also ease out the calculation and can determine the correct answer in a quicker time. I hope you understand this question.